Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to insert an image in Google Docs step by step. Images make your documents more engaging and professional. First, open your Google Docs file and scroll to the spot where you want the image. Click Insert in the top menu, then choose Image. You'll see options like Upload from Computer, Search the Web, Drive, Photos, by URL, or Camera. Select the one you need. If uploading from computer, click Browse, locate the file, and insert it. For Drive or web images, select and insert. Click the image to resize or reposition it. Use corner handles to keep proportions and drag to move it. Change text wrapping by selecting the image and choosing Inline, Wrap Text, or Break Text. Optionally, right-click Alt Text, type a description for accessibility. And that's how to insert and customize images in Google Docs in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.